Introducing GardX Assure Cosmetic Accident Repair Solutions. Scratches, dents, and chips are an unfortunate part of everyday motoring life. These unavoidable little accidents can be costly, inconvenient to repair, and cost you your no-claims bonus. But with Cosmetic Accident Repair Solutions from GardX Assure, you can protect yourself against these unexpected expenses. Cosmetic Accident Repair Solutions, or C.A.R.S+, is a mobile minor damage repair service. We offer a fast and efficient service. Technicians can come to your home or workplace with minimal fuss. Registering a claim is quick and easy with our mobile claims app. All repairs completed by our approved repairers are covered with a lifetime guarantee. To keep your car in showroom condition and to safeguard your no-claims bonus, protect your investment with GardX Assure Cosmetic Accident Repair Solutions. Be sure with your insurance. Go with GardX.